House, apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? Para sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent, bagong malilipat ang pinapaupahang bahay. Para sa inyo po tong details and information na isi-share ko. Ito po ay townhouse na bakanteng pinapaupahang bahay. Yes, up and down. With 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, with a small garage. Vacant and ready for occupancy. Yes, store. Yes, kids. Yes, pets allowed. And yes, parking. Nakatiles na rin ang flooring at bagong pintura. Ito po ay 9,000 pesos monthly house apartment for rent located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Para sa iba pang mga detalye, kung gusto nyong bisitahin ng personal, pwede naman po anytime. Marami pa po tayong iba pang mga house and apartment unit. Gagawa ko na lang po ng iba pang mga video. Sa ngayon, ito lang po muna ang isi-share ko. Ito yung house apartment for rent sa Bacoor City, Cavite. May provision na para sa window type na aircon, 9,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Yes, inside subdivision, good community and flood-free location. Malapit sa highway, may malapit na school at market. Yes guys, yes ma'am, yes sir. Para sa naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent na pwedeng magtindahan, ito po open na and vacant and ready for occupancy. And yes guys, welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa tuwing meron akong bagong i-upload na mga house and apartment. So maganda yung bahay, meron na sariling gate, may nilad water, maganda at maayos yung bubong, meron na ring screen door, may laundry area, may maayos na kusina, CR, very spacious na up and down townhouse. Bagong home sweet home para sa inyong family. And yes, very affordable. 9,000 pesos monthly. House apartment for rent with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Malapit sa mall, malapit sa simbahan, malapit sa palengke, maganda yung bahaan, at maganda rin ang location, very accessible. Ulit, maraming salamat po sa pagbisita at panonood dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share, lalo kung nagustuhan nyo itong klase ng video na sinishare ko. So para sa naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent sa Bacoor City, Cavite, ito po bakante pa, open, vacant, and ready for occupancy. 9,000 pesos monthly, townhouse up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Open anytime for viewing. And once again, maraming salamat po. Ito po yung bahay. Yan guys, panoorin na nyo na lang. Kung nagustuhan nyo, pwede nyo itong bisitahin anytime. And yes guys, stay tuned at marami pa akong i-upload. Marami pa akong mga house and apartment na i-share sa inyo. Ito yung house apartment ulit sa Bacoor City, Cavite. 9,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom with garage.